Rider Nation, Georgia, careful riding Joe's ski. He will watch you like a hawk.
That's got to be Will.
Will?
Yeah. Dude, he's my ride or die guy, okay? Yeah, he rode my ski when we were in the falls, man. Dude, I don't know if you know Will. He's awesome, man. He's just a great, humble fella. We did the waterfall ride together, and he was on my brand new ski. It had like an hour on it, and he's just like he's like riding like he stole it.
No, he was taking really good care of it. But Joe is like, if you had a woman's newborn baby, they would be less concerned about it than Joe is about his skis.
Yeah, I love that guy. Will Winters, Jet Rider Nation.
Yep.
Love you, buddy. You're awesome.
Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to Playlists, and then click on Live Sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.